Today, you will be learning how to make
American or Scotch pancakes. These are the ingredients you will need.
They will also be linked in the description box below.
First, weigh out the flour into a bowl.
If you don't have any self-raising flour, then you can use plain flour and baking powder like we did here.
The ratio for this will be in the description box.
Next, weigh out the sugar into the same bowl.
Then add the egg.
Measure out and add 2 tablespoons of milk into the bowl.
And whisk! Add a third tablespoon of milk and continue whisking.
Once it is all combined, add the final 4th tablespoon of milk and whisk until it is smooth.
Now you have a pancake batter.
Turn the hob on to a medium heat and let the pan heat.
Spray some oil into the hot pan and place the dollop of batter into the centre.
Let the pancake cook until you see bubbles appearing on the top.
When the bubbles start to pop, flip it.
Let it continue cooking until it is golden brown on both sides.
Continue cooking the pancakes until you have used up all the batter.
You may need to adjust the temperature of the pan to ensure the pancakes don't burn. This is the final product. It makes 10 to 12 pancakes depending on how big you make them.
Serve with anything you would like.
Enjoy baking!